What's up everybody? This is the 2026 KTM 500 EXC-F and I am giving this bike away and I've been doing a bunch of updates to it to turn it into what I feel is like a proper dirt bike to take off-road. And one of the things that I did today is I installed the Tidy Tail system from Takomoto. You're able to take all this stuff off. So we took off the ugly signal lights on the front and put on these Takomoto signal lights, which are very slick. I'll roll in some shots of these actually working in practice because it's really cool. It's also, they give you like, it's also like a marker light, like a white marker light on the front, which these do not give you. And then they give a great little turn signal indicator. And then on the rear, you're able to take the entire tailpiece off. This massive, ugly tailpiece that has your signal lights and your tail light, and then a plate holder and a license plate like light thing here. All of that gets to come off and it's all incorporated into one little light back here, which is super, super sexy. And he calls it, Takomoto calls this the Tidy Tail. And there's a reason for it, because this tidies, you go from having this massive piece on here to just his own proprietary light, which is your tail light, your license plate light, and your signal lights all in one. You can get, this is part of the kit. This is this moto-minded plate kit, and you can run that on here, and then you are running a license plate and everything. And what's cool is this still has the, this kit still has the brake lights. So it still has the sensors for the brake with the front brake and the rear brake. So everything about this is still street legal. Now, as you guys know, I'm not like a, I'll move this back. By the way, if you want to win this bike, the easiest way to do it is to join DBC Garage. I'm giving this bike away here in the summer, and we're giving away the 300XC, and the DBC Garage sweepstakes is a private sweepstakes. The only people who are going to win are the people inside of that little pool, and whoever wins in that sweepstakes gets to pick if they want this bike or the 300XC. And then the DBC Garage members are also simultaneously enrolled in the more public sweepstakes, which is what I've always done, where you can get entries by buying shirts or buying using my links to Rocky Mountain ATV, blah, blah, blah. So I did the install today. I'll probably be rolling in shots of how I did this today. But it's pretty cool because Takomoto gives you the entire kit, everything you need. With the 24 bikes, it's a totally new, you use a new switch up on the front. So you've got a new like headlight switch and the turn signal and the horn switch. Don't tell anybody, but I haven't put the horn back on. The horn is still sitting right here. He has a way to like move the horn too, and I might. But anyway, so it took me about an hour or so to kind of do all this, maybe an hour and a half, because I'd never done it before. I actually was following Mike's video very, very closely, because you take your front, you take the headlight off, and you unhook all the old connectors and everything from the old switch, which is right here in my hand. So you're undoing all this stuff, all the harnesses and everything. You reinstall his new switch with the signal light and the headlight switch. You install all that, kind of get your wires routed, install the key switch, and then I went ahead and installed the his stealthy turn signal lights up here, which that's a really nice touch, because again, you go from the size difference between, I took a picture of it and I might have even done some video of it, but the size difference between these two guys right here, this little teeny thing, which is still legal, and what you get in stock form, this thing is just, this is massive compared to what we installed on here. So here's the deal. I don't love street legaling dirt bikes. Like I typically don't want my dirt bike to be street legal. The amount of stuff that you, the amount of like wiring and all the things that and I didn't even have to put the switches on here because they already had the switches for like knowing, what I should say is the sensors for knowing when your brakes are being pulled. The nice thing about this system is it plugs directly into the stock setup. So if your bike, if you have a 350 EXC-F or a 500 EXC-F or the Husqvarna 501 or whatever, then this kit from Takomoto is plug and play. You just, and the nice thing is you're not taking anything out of the center of the bike. you're redoing your switch up on the front, and that just comes up to the harnesses and everything up here in the front to the headlight and the signal lights. And then on the back, you take your seat off and you're removing the wiring from here back on the fender. So the stuff that's in the middle, the more critical stuff or whatever, the more technical stuff, you're not even touching. You're just unplugging your old stuff like this, because the back comes, there's like all these wires. There's freaking a million wires. What is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's, oh, because you got the signal lights too. So there's a bunch of wires coming off the back of this, and when you plug in the tidy tail system, it's all incorporated in this little light right back here, so it's a much simpler thing, and you are losing some weight. So I didn't weigh this, but this whole thing weighs a lot more than what that tidy tail light does. So anyway, overall, I was pretty impressed with this setup. So we kept the bike street legal. It's still street legal, and I'm still making it into a proper dirt bike. With the rocket exhaust, the Get ECU, all of these things that we're doing with the bike, every step along the way makes this bike just more built out, more stealthy, more trick, and I just love it. Oh, I need to put these screws back in right here. I've got these screws that I gotta put in. That's what happens when I'm doing all this stuff. I got three little screws that I need to put in to like finish this thing out. But I'm impressed with the kit. Taco Mike knows his stuff, and he's been doing these 500s for a long time, and he's built this stuff out really, really nicely. And overall, the kit is plug and play. Everything, every connector, plugged into every connector on the bike. And as long as you just follow his install video, because this isn't going to be an install video, I'm just going to show you that I did install it over the top of the fact that I'm talking here. So anyway, I'm pretty impressed with it. It tidies this thing up. It makes it look 1,000 times better on the rear, and it makes it look 1,000 times better on the front. And now you've got a dirt bike that's still street legal that doesn't look like an ugly dual sport like this thing. So props to Takamoto for figuring that out. Anyway, I'll leave the links down in the description on where you can get that stuff. Unfortunately, I don't have any affiliate codes for him, but if you want to get free entries to win this bike and the KTM 300XC, all you gotta do is use my links to Rocky Mountain ATV whenever you're buying stuff over there. If you don't wanna become a member of DBC Garage, which is literally the easiest way to do this, because DBC Garage members, it's like a cheat code. They're entered into the members only sweepstakes and to the more public sweepstakes. But if you don't want to do that, and you don't want to buy like a shirt or tie downs or hats or anything that I have on my website, dirtbikechannel.com, just use my links to Rocky Mountain ATV 12 months out of the year, because we're doing sweepstakes all year long, and it's free entries because you're going to buy this stuff anyway. Tires, tools, riding gear, whatever it is, oil for your bikes, parts, plastics, all that kind of stuff. You're going to buy it anyway. So click on my link first before you go to Rocky Mountain ATV. It'll take you over there, boom. And then you're getting free entries to win the bikes. The last guy that won, I'm still waiting to get the bike to him. He won because he used my links to Rocky Mountain ATV. There's probably been 10 or 12 guys now that won dirt bikes for me solely because they used my Rocky Mountain ATV links. So I'm practically paying you to do it. Anyway, I'm excited to get out on the bike again. I'm probably gonna ride this tomorrow on another little ride, and it should be really, really good. So I'm excited about that. And the tidy tail and all this stuff is pretty stinking cool. So I'll give you a little demonstration here on the front of this bike. I probably rolled this in a bunch of times, but I'll just demonstrate this. You turn your key on, and then boom, you start it. But I really like how you have these marker lights that stay on while the bike for just a second, but these marker lights are really cool. I think that's a really nice touch. They're gonna turn off any second once the ECU powers down. But that was something I didn't even realize was gonna happen, is that we were gonna essentially have additional marker lights on the front of that bike, which just adds to the visibility of it, and I think that's a fantastic thing. So anyway, that's what I've got for you guys. I can't wait to see who wins this bike at the end of the summer, because this thing is an absolute freaking beast, and we keep making it better every week. So love you guys. Thanks so much. Enter to win this thing, and until next time, leave a single track.